Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to integrate Google Calendar with GoHighLevel. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all the steps in doing this. Now if you're already logged onto your GoHighLevel, you will have your dashboard like this. However, in order to see exactly what you're seeing here with some other options under integrations, you need to go over to the left sidebar where you have settings. When you click on settings, you're going to go over to integrations. And here we find the option to sign in with Google. As usual, you'll need to give some approval in the authentication process by selecting your account and granting access to your Google account in order for this to be connected to your GoHighLevel. Now, the next step to take after your Google account is successfully connected, you need to complete your calendar configuration. Now, in the calendar configuration, you will see linked calendar and conflict calendars. Now, what are conflict calendars? Now, conflict calendars basically is a term used by GoHighLevel to help you understand if you're having any conflict with events. So you might have some activities on your GoHighLevel calendar, and when you add your Google Calendar, there might be some conflict. And this configuration will help you sort that out and show you plainly if you're having any conflict. So basically, third-party apps for calendars like Google Calendar are considered as conflict calendars. Now we're going to go over to the sidebar, click on calendars, and when we have calendars, we're going to go over to connections. As you can see, the account which we've given access to GoHighLevel is going to show up right here under connected calendars. Now again, as we've connected our calendars, you're not going to have anything here because you haven't made your calendar configuration yet. So what you need to do is to click on this button here, and it's going to take you to this page in order to link your calendar. When you come to this page, you will have a third-party calendar to add new events to. Now, once you've connected your Google Calendar, all new events will be synced into your Google Calendar. So in essence, you're telling GoHighLevel to set the conflict calendar as your main calendar, which is fine. After that's done, you're going to have the option to select the calendar where you'd like to add your new events. As you can see in this example, this is the same as this here, which is the same account which we authorized to connect with GoHighLevel. So basically, you would be having your Google address, which is what you connected, the same here and here. And now you can see it's still called conflict calendars as we've explained before. And what GoHighLevel will do because of this integration, it will use your new calendar to set if you're available or busy for any future events, thereby avoiding any conflicts. After this, you're going to click on Save, thereby integrating your Google Calendar with GoHighLevel.